Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index held above 100 on Wednesday. A wave of global risk aversion has driven demand for safe haven currencies. Equities and other risk assets are under pressure as concerns grow over stretched AI valuations, while warnings from top Wall Street CEOs about a potential market pullback further dampen sentiment. The greenback is also supported by speculation that the Federal Reserve may keep rates unchanged in December after policymakers signaled caution toward further easing. WTI crude traded below $60 on Wednesday, extending losses from the previous session as worries about oversupply and sluggish demand weighed on sentiment. Data from the EIA showed US crude inventories surged by 5.2 million barrels last week, the largest increase since July, even as fuel stocks declined. Rising output from OPEC Plus non-member countries has sparked fresh concerns about a global glut. OPEC Plus recently agreed to a modest production hike in December, but plans to pause further increases until 2026, signaling awareness of weak demand. On Wednesday, spot gold moved narrowly around $3,980. The US dollar's surge past the 100 mark has lifted the cost of gold for non-dollar holders, prompting some buyers to step aside. Since reaching a record high near $4,381 on October 20, gold has entered a phase of orderly pullback and consolidation. Market pricing for a December rate cut has cooled, creating a mixed backdrop. Slower reductions in discount rate expectations lend medium-term support, while the dollar's strength and resilient US yields cap upside momentum. The Japanese yen strengthened to around 153.8 on Wednesday, extending gains from the prior session as a sell-off in global risk assets boosted demand for safe havens. Stock markets and risk currencies came under pressure amid renewed concern over AI valuations and warnings of market corrections. Verbal intervention from Tokyo also lent support to the yen. Meanwhile, Economy Minister Sanae Takaichi noted that Japan has yet to achieve sustainable inflation driven by wage growth, signaling a cautious stance on future rate hikes. The euro traded around 1.149 inches Wednesday's Asian session, snapping a 5-day losing streak. The currency found support as traders expect the European Central Bank to maintain a cautious tone at its upcoming meeting. The ECB left rates unchanged for a third straight time in October, noting that inflation is broadly stable and growth continues, though uncertainty remains. Officials say risks to both inflation and growth are now more balanced, and the bank should avoid rush decisions while remaining ready to act if needed.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.